let us see the important derivation, that is the equation of trajectory of projectile. This is a very important equation and mostly it will be asked in your any exam, and it will be also useful for solving many other problems also. So what is the meaning of a trajectory? The path along which projectile moves in air and returns to ground is called as a trajectory. So if this is a point of projection and if the projectile is thrown in air with the velocity u by making an angle theta, that is the angle of projection, then projectile travels like this and falls here. So this path, this curve is nothing but trajectory. So trajectory is simply a path along which projectile travels and returns to ground. Okay? या कर्व ची इक्वेशन आपल्याला बनवायची. We want to form the equation of this curve. Now to form the equation of curve is actually what? If we consider the horizontal, that is the ground, as a x-axis, point of projection as origin, and a perpendicular to here as y-axis, then see, as the projectile moves along the trajectory, its x coordinate goes on changing. Is it y coordinate is also changing?
Yes.
So we simply find out relation between x and y coordinate. So equation of trajectory is simply a relation between x and y coordinate, right?
Yes.
We treat horizontal motion with a constant velocity, that means zero acceleration, and vertical motion under acceleration. Projectile motion is a combination of horizontal motion without acceleration and vertical motion with acceleration. So we will just assume that a projectile reached to somewhere point P during its path, during its travel. कहाँ तक पहुँच गया? P के तक. Point P, when it reaches, its horizontal displacement will be x, and its vertical displacement will be y. So we will try to find out the formula between x and y. That formula will be called as a trajectory. So when we throw the projectile at point O, it has taken some time to reach at point P. So let that time is a t, small t. So let t be the time taken by projectile to reach point P. Let t be the time taken by projectile to reach point P. Here is a point P. So from here to here it has taken some time. Let's that time is t. During this time, the projectile has more horizontal displacement as well as it has some vertical displacement. But please take care that horizontal displacement takes place without acceleration and vertical displacement takes place with acceleration. So let's consider horizontal displacement. For horizontal displacement, shall we apply kinematical equations? First or a second? Second. S is equal to ut plus half 8t square. But for horizontal we will write x, ux, ax. Now, shall I say Sx is a x?
Yes.
That is a horizontal displacement. Shall we write a horizontal component of velocity u? One component will be horizontal, one component will be vertical. Is it ux is equal to u cos theta?
Yes.
And uy is equal to u sin theta. So I am going to substitute a ux as yes. No problem. What about ax? 0. As horizontally there is no acceleration, ax is 0. Clear?
Yes.
Ux is u cos theta, sx is x. So let's substitute here. X equals u cos theta into t, 0. So can I get the time for projectile to reach up to point P? So that time will be x upon u cos theta. Is it first step is clear?
Yes.
So we got the time taken by projectile to reach up to point P, means to perform a horizontal displacement x. It is actually distance divided by speed. हे हॉरिझॉन्टल डिस्टन्स घेतलं आणि त्याला फक्त हॉरिझॉन्टल कंपोनंटने डिवाइड केलं. कळतंय? लेट अस फाइंड आउट vertical displacement y. So for vertical displacement, shall I write y? Not y. Sy is equal to uy t plus half ay t square. Now Sy will be written as plus y, because above the origin we consider a vector as plus. So this up to here vertical displacement is y. Uy,
U sin
vertical component of velocity, u sin theta. Ay, even if particle is moving upward, it has a downward acceleration due to gravity, so Ay must be taken as minus. अडचण येते. Now please substitute these values here. Y equals u sin theta into t minus half gt square. Very straight, simple. Now we want to find out the equation of which is the relation between x and y coordinate. Now we want to eliminate this t and this t we will eliminate in terms of x. So put t as x upon u cos theta. Substitute. So we get y equals u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half g into x square by u square cos square theta. Can we do some simplification? कुछ कैंसिल कर सकते हैं? Let's cancel u. Is it sin theta by cos theta is a tan theta?
Yes.
So what equation I will get? Tan theta x. इथे लिहितोय बघा. I'll write you. Y equals sin by cos tan theta into x minus half g by u square cos square theta into x square. This equation is a first form of equation of projectile. Need बघा. Y equals tan theta x minus half g upon u square cos square theta into x square. Let's understand once again. You understood that trajectory is actually a relation between x and y coordinate. It is a horizontal displacement with a zero acceleration and vertical displacement with a constant acceleration. Nusta acceleration, okay, but you can say constant acceleration. So first we have applied a second kinematical equation for horizontal displacement. Have you understood?
Yes.
Why sx as x clear?
Yes.
We have to take a horizontal component u cos theta. We have to take acceleration 0 because horizontally there is no acceleration. Substitute here, substitute here, substitute here. We got the time x by u cos theta. Then we apply the second kinematical equation for vertical displacement. Sy will be y. Y will be u sin theta. And ay will be minus g. Is clear hai? Substituting we get this equation and don't forget to replace t as x by u cos theta. On simplifying we get answer y is equal to tan theta x minus half g by u square cos square theta into x square. Now this is a kind of a equation of a curve, and generally there are various curves like parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, straight line. Out of that, this equation represent a curve which is called as parabola. I'll just explain that. पहिले हे लिहून टाकूया. हा क्वेश्चन द्या. Derive equation of projectile.
कमी झालं.